こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today's seventh lesson of hiragana. まみむめも because it is あかさたなはままみむめも This letter is ma. M sound M and A. Ma. Like mama, mama, ma. Let's see the first two strokes. First and second, this part. And this is again not the straight line, a little bit circular. The third and the last line is from here, from the upper part, and you cross these two lines till here, then a little circular, the circle here, and you stop. This is ma. In the previous video, we started this one, ho, H and O. Ho, very similar, right? The difference, there's no this line in ma. And also very important, this one. Ho, you begin from here, from this point. But ma, you must begin from the upper part. This is the difference between ho and ma. The second letter is mi. M and I sound. Mi. The first stroke is this one. From here, you are going to the right, a little bit going up a little bit. Then now you are going to your left, all the way here, and little circle. And again, a little bit circular and going a little bit going down like this. This is the first line. Again, from here, 1. The second line is this one, 2. And very important to think of the balance. For example, this inclination is about the same like this. So you are going to your left, and this one is also going to the left. And this point, you begin more outside than this one. Okay? This is mi. 1 and 2. After mi, it comes the mu. Mu. M and U. And you see just this one. Here there's a circle, and here there's a circle. But the different style. This circle is like this, but mu, this is circle but vertically large, right? So a little bit different type of circle. This is su, sashi su, S and U, and this is mu. But maybe this circle and this circle is quite similar because this is to the vertically large. This su and mu. I think you already imagine the first stroke is this one. So from here, a little bit going to the right and going up. Quite short line. This one, the first stroke. The second stroke is all of this without cutting in the middle. And here from the upper part, and this is not the center of the paper or the center of the letter. This is going a little bit to the left side. And you are coming just straight down at first. Then little circle, but this circle is vertically large. And you're coming back here. And now to the right. And here a little jump to the upper. Boom. This is mu. Again. Here the second part without cutting, all together, all continuously. One second line. All of this. The second line is more outside, more to the right, from more than this one. Okay, so you are going here. And the third is this one. 10 and little jump. 10 and little jump. This is the third. And to write beautifully this letter mu, this third point, you just can imagine. This is the longer, if it comes here, this point. So from here, you begin. And this is a more outside of this one. Maybe from, this is inside, but it ends in the outside and it will jump. Now, this one is me, M and E sound. Me. Me means the eyes. Me. We've already learned this one. This is nu. Nani nu ne no. Nani nu ne no. Nu. This is nu. Quite similar, right? Only the difference is the last circle. Nu has got circle, but me without any circles here. There's no circle. There are only 2 strokes here. The first one is this one. This one. And the second line is the higher place, and you are going to your left. Then little circle, and you're coming back here, like this. This is me. This is quite really similar to nu, but like this nu. Without any circle, you just let it go. The last letter of today is mo. M and O sound. Mo. Mo. This one. Mo. Before learning this mo, I want you to look at this letter. This is shi. Sashi su se so. Shi. Quite similar, the first line, but the difference, shi is just straight down, right? But sa, the different inclination, you must going a little bit to your left. Okay, this is the difference. Shi and mo. So the first line is from here, like this, the first, and second, third is second and third. And this is a little bit circular, like one and little bit circular. Not like this, circle, okay? This is mo. Now reading practice, and let's learn also the vocabulary. 10 vocabularies, reading the alphabet you already know. So this one, please try to read it. This is me. Me. As I told you before, me, it means the eye, the eyes. Me. Ma, ta, ne. Mami mume mo ma, tachi tsute totta, nani nu ne no ne. Mata ne. Mata ne is a greeting word. Mata ne. じゃ、またね. See you. またね. So this is a greeting word. またね. 3番目, the third one. む and し. むし. むし. Intonation is むし. So し is like with accent. むし. むし means insect. Insects. むし. 4番目, the fourth. Only one letter. Ka. Ka. Ka means mosquito. Ka. 4番目, the fourth. Ha. E. Hae. Hae is also, the intonation is ha. E. The last one is accent. Ha. E. Hae. The upper sound. Hae. Hae, it means zzz. Fly. Flies. The insect fly. Hae. But instead of e, if we say with e, hai. Hai. It means yes. Hai. 6番目, twice, mo. Momo. Momo. The second one is momo. So that with the intonation, momo. Okay? Momo, it means the fruit name. This is peach. The 7th, 7番目, kimono. Kimono. This is Japanese traditional clothes. Kimono. 8番目, the 8th, 道. Michi. Also the intonation is the last one. Michi. Not michi. Okay? Michi. Michi, it means the street or the path. This is 道. The ninth, 神様. 神様. It means the God. 神様. Well, actually, only kami is okay. Kami is also the God. But sama, for the respect, 神様, the God. So, kami with kami, the intonation, kami, this is the God. But if we say kami, kami with mi, different intonation, kami means only the paper. Kami, paper. Kami, kami, this is the God. So the intonation is quite important. 10th, the last one, 10番目. 君, kimi. Well, kimi has got two meanings. One of them, kimi, it means the yolk of the egg, so the yellow part, kimi. And also, kimi can mean you. You. In Japanese, we've got some many ways to say you, but one of them, kimi. For example, kimi, usually the boys use kimi. And the other very famous one maybe, anata, also you. Ma, mi, mu, me, and mo. I hope you keep on studying and you keep on practicing these letters. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it. And if you can share my videos with your friends, that will help me a lot. Then, see you next time. いかがでしたか？今日はまみむめもを練習しました。頑張りましたか？たくさん練習して綺麗な字を書きましょう。では、また次のビデオでお会いしましょう。じゃあ、またね。